What's up, y'all? So as you can see, I got something new for this year. It's not new, but it's new to me type boat. So we're gonna go through it, take the cover off, and then show each compartment how I have it rigged up. The wind may take the cover off for me, so we'll see. But it's a ProCraft 17 foot Johnson 150 on the back. It runs about 60 with just me on it, 2 people, fuel loaded down, and all the equipment. It'll run about 50 to 55. So yeah, fast boat, fun, working live wells, which is what I wanted, other than my skiff. So take the cover off. Good thing for plastic. Alright, so let's show y'all this thing. On the front, I have the Lowrance Eagle 9 forward facing sonar, low budget, nice. You ain't got that extra black box from this to the box. The box to transducer is straight transducer straight to your graph, so that's nice. I got the what is it, the Minn-Kota Edge, the 55 thrust, the Lowrance Elite, what was it, FS7 on the console. That's nice. Touch screen and all that mess. Turn that on real quick. I know everybody knows about this, but I'm gonna show you what I like the most about this craft. You see it? Touch screen is nice. That's what I like the most. This is my chart. The chart is nice. So let's say we are at wherever Sutton Lake is. Where's Sutton Lake? Right there. To me, this right here is a lot better than how everything else normally is. So yeah. Alright, so there's Kitty. Make sure no trouble hooks or anything laying out. That'd be fun. Called away. Hey, I'm bringing a cat to your work. Alright, turn that off. And she gone. So, yep. And then the good old Johnson, the mosquito killer. A V6, 150, the whole shebang there. Alright, front. Storage right here. They're not deep storages, so it's got a little something. Got 2 boxes, stuff for Texas rig, and then some stuff for jigs and Carolina rigs in there. The extra hooks. And then I got stuff for my drop shots. And some baits in here. Little baits I got quick access to. And then live well, front live well, which I'm using as a cooler. Rod storage. It's nice. Keep your rods out the way. And then some line, wrench. You always need a wrench. Fold down seats. The coolest thing to use, I've never used it before, is the gas pedal, the hot foot, whatever you call it. That's nice. On my console, whenever I got that, it's got the speedo gauge, tack gauge, and fuel gauge. It's nice. Never had a fuel gauge. That is nice. And right now, we got a full tank. We got courtesy lights. This will be fun night fishing on this year. There's actually lights in here, so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, rear, under our seats, we have some stuff for storage. I got a big spoon. This is where I'm gonna keep my tools and stuff out when I need them. Like shebang. I need to get it back to my wife, but shebang. Like that was good day. This one. Worm bag. That's where that would be at. Life jackets, weigher, live well, deep live well, which is nice. And then the third cushion crap. I put it down there to elevate this stuff. Got some baits in here. That's where all my travel hook baits are in. It was organized at one time, it became unorganized. Spinner baits and buzz baits. Then, my favorites, my frogs. Once springtime comes around, something from up front is coming back here and the frogs are going up front. And the drain. That's nice too. For when it rains. Let's see, the back I got the Spring Bank Minn Kota charger, the plug coming out the back hole, starting battery, the console graph and accessories are on that. I need to change that over to these. This is set up for 12 volt or 24. For 24 volt, I just got to hook up this cable, and yeah, 20 or 21 gallon fuel tank. I haven't figured it out. Looking online to see the one. So nice little setup I got me something that I want. So yeah, we'll be fishing on this more this year, and then we'll see how it goes and what we change to over the next couple years. I took it out the other day. We went fishing on it. I want to see how it did fishing. I ran it before I got it, but it ran good then. It fished really good. It's a lot more stable with me and another person on it. So we're gonna be doing a lot more fishing on this boat this year. It's gonna be fun, exciting. I know I mainly only fish the river, Northeast Cape Fear River, put in Calcehane or Burgaw, and Sutton Lake, which is in Wilmington. So when I was down on the camera, we went and did White Lake and Lake Waccamaw some. So we're getting some more of those on camera on this boat, and hopefully we'll get to travel a little bit. That's the plan. Maybe a little hard for me to get a new house, but that's the plan. Maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, maybe once a month. Go out somewhere else in North Carolina, try to do some fishing. That'll be cool. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Get those numbers up some. Maybe, just maybe, I can start getting a little bit of that cha-ching in, and we can start doing some traveling and putting in tournaments and doing some stuff, make some big things happen this year. So hope y'all enjoyed the video.